How? How are you doing, everyone? Always, we are bringing how to repair this bike. Everything one by one. So now, how to change the fuel pipe. In case of, say, your fuel getting damaged or your fuel here cutting, because most of time we remove here to give someone fuel. Maybe on the road, your friend gets short of fuel, so you want to help him to give him fuel. So sometimes always we remove this one and sometimes here can get damaged because you can see it's very tight to remove. So sometimes always we force it to remove it, so sometimes here can get damaged. And already the pipe is not long, it's not long to. Okay guys, so always you can see the pipe is not long, it's only from here to here. So always we force it to remove it, here can get cut or damaged small linking. So never put any solid tip or rope or some plastic to rope it, it will not work because he will link. Okay, so never use that one, that one is not permanent. So don't use that one to put solid tip or something. So in case of say damage, you have to cut it if it is not long, the damage is not here or here, only just here. You can cut the pipe, then you put it again, it can reach because it's not long too much, it's only small. And they don't want it to pull to go down, always they want it to look up small so that the pipe, the fuel can go down easily because it's not too much, you know, it's coming only small. So he can go, he will not make overflow also, overflow. So you have to remove this one and cut small and return it back. Otherwise you have to change the fuel pipe. Okay, and sometimes you can see some people remove the air pipe. This one is the air, only air will remove here and go here. So never make mistake to put the air pipe here and put the fuel one here. Your bike will stop, automatically stop, unless you take it to garage, maybe they clean the engine or something. Okay, so never try, always you have to know the pipe. This one is a air pipe, this one is a fuel pipe. Okay, so in case of that one, after that one we have extra pipe also. Okay guys, so this is the extra one, this is the extra one, air one. Okay, this is the extra one. So this one you can remove it. So this is the extra one, I just remove it inside. You can remove this one and clean it. In case of on the road you get pipe problem, pipe damage, we have extra one already here. They call it air pipe also, but it's not same like other one. This is different, only for extra, for fuel, in case of your fuel one get damaged. So you just remove it first, but when you remove it you have to clean it because it get like so many dust inside, so many dust there inside, so you have to clean it. And you know fuel don't like any dust inside, so you have to clean it, put water inside, clean it with your mouth or something, so that when he dry, then you can use it to the fuel pump. Okay, so this is the extra one. Every parcel have extra pipe for fuel, but he dey on the corner inside, you cannot notice it. So that's why we are making this thing to explain to you. So always please follow us and subscribe our channel so that you will get more and more experience in about your bike. Okay guys, see you next video.